Hello students, this class is exclusively for our 7th class children and I want to explain the grammatical topics for the half-yearly examination, and those of you who missed, you can listen all the grammatical topics in these videos. So I'm going to explain what is a sentence and how many types are there in a sentence. Okay, so let me explain you what is a sentence first. If you want to construct a sentence, you need subject, verb and object. So when you want to construct a sentence, first of all you have to start the sentence with a capital letter. For example, so when you want to construct a sentence, first letter should be capital, as I told you. So I is a subject here, and when you are starting a sentence, the first letter should be capital, as I told you. So I can be the first person singular, can be capital letter in all the sentences wherever you write. Even if you are writing in the middle of the sentence also, you have to write the capital letter I only. So that is the rule we have to follow when you are constructing a sentences or when you are writing paragraphs, essays, whatever it is. So I should be capital. And after that, you need to keep the full stop at the end of the sentence. So if you wouldn't keep that punctuation mark, you cannot call it as a sentence. And we have come across the definition that sentence is a collection of words. So let me show you one example. So these are all the words. We can call it as a collection of words also, because many words are collected here. So can we call this one as a sentence? I think you are telling that it's no, because we cannot call the group of words as a sentence. There is a sense you need to follow. If you construct a sentence, you may collect some words, but it should have some order. It should have some sense. Then only we can call it as a sentence. Otherwise, we cannot do that. So I'll show you. So I am an English teacher. So this is the sentence you have to write in a proper way. Subject should come first. Okay, so this is the subject, and am, this is a verb, and an English teacher is an object. Okay, so we need to follow subject, verb and object order. Otherwise, you can't construct a sentence on your own. You need to follow some rules and regulations. So now I want to explain you the types of sentences.